I have a lot of jewelry, a lot of accessories. There are few earrings in gold, there are few in silver, some hoops, some tops. Then and I'm just randomly picking, like I'm not saying okay, I'll show all the earrings and my neck pieces, whatever is coming from the box. This is one red ring, rose ring. I don't even know why I'm carrying it. Now please don't say plastic enduku vadutunnaru idi adi ani. Don't comment all that. Like from the condition of the bag only you could make out how old these earrings would be. I'm not too much of honestly a jewelry person. You will say like so many accessories I have and I'm saying I'm not a jewelry person. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. I hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Today's video was requested by some of you all about my jewelry collection. Now, honestly speaking, I have a lot of jewelry, a lot of accessories in Mumbai because I keep buying for shows and for events and everything. If I go to the market and if I like something which I feel could be used on any outfit, I just pick it up and I keep in my collection. So I have a huge collection of accessories at home, which I might do later on some other time when I'm in Mumbai. But when I travel for shoots, if you all have watched the outfit video, you would know that I'm sometimes wearing outfits given by the designers, and sometimes I do wear my outfit also if nothing works out on the spot. So for those times when I don't exactly know what will be the outfit, I do carry a box like this, a jewelry box like this, which has a few staples. Like there are few earrings in gold, there are few in silver, and some hoops, some tops. So various kinds of earrings and neck pieces which I keep so that if I land in a situation where I don't have anything to wear, I kind of use from this. So this is the only box that I was carrying for this schedule of BB Jodi. I honestly did not know the kinds of outfits I'll have, so I've just matched certain items and I've put them in the box, and I thought I'll take you all through that. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, it's a mess. First of all, it's all a mess because I've already shot yesterday, and to go through the box, we've kind of jumbled up everything. Again, a basic gold chain sort of a designed earrings. Very pretty, very lightweight. If I'm wearing something western, something really sleek and smart, this would go well. So I carried one of this. To go along with that, I also have a chain like this. It's slightly heavier. I don't know why. It's a very heavy metal that is used, which is why I avoid wearing it for longer duration because it kind of gives me a lot of neck pain. But yeah, I still do carry just in case. It's very, very pretty. Okay, then another one is again basic gold. This thing. These all are very, very basic. Something that would go well with any kinds of outfits. Mostly when I have an outfit like this, I'm also given the accessories, but sometimes if they're too heavy, I avoid. I feel like to sit for that many hours in something which is very heavy, I kind of avoid. So the next one is this. It's one of my favorites. I haven't used this yet. It's beautiful orange. I was going to wear this on this particular outfit also in the morning, but then we decided let's keep it like monotone. Let's have gold and make it very simple because the outfit in itself was very, very grand. So yeah, did not use this, but a pretty one. Again, I love these. I've not been able to put them to any good use yet. I really love the way they've been made. Again, very, very lightweight. So I'm looking forward to an outfit where I can wear these earrings. Okay, again, basic hoops, which are very, very light, very pretty. Again, would go really well if I'm wearing like a solid colored, either a dress or a blazer, any of those sorts. I also have a retro episode, so might use this for that one. Let's see. This is one that I got very recently because I was planning to wear a shirt dress, a hot pink shirt dress. So I thought if I could layer a lot of chains like this and this along with that, it would look nice. So I picked this up. Like I said, this one is very heavy. This one is very heavy, but this is like exactly the opposite. It's super light, very pretty. So I thought I could layer all of this together and make it look nice, but unfortunately I did not end up wearing that outfit at all. So this is kind of still lying. Then okay, then again these are like a proper junk jewelry sort of a thing. Again, would look very nice for Western outfits. Haven't used them yet, but let's see. So if you see, all the colors are like mostly neutral colors. So even if they do not match the outfit, they might still look good. So if you don't know what you're wearing, and if you just keep a collection of accessories that are neutral colored, that could go well with anything. Most of them, they could be gold, silver, gold with stones, silver with stones, oxidized 1 or 2 pairs. I think, it could be sorted with small pouch which has a lot of different kinds of stoned earrings. Like there are tops like this. There are, there's this little dangling thing, all delicate ones. Then studs, like if I'm wearing something really big in the neck, then I can just use small studs and get going. So this kind of remains in this little pouch here. Then what else? Then I'm just randomly picking, like I'm not saying okay, I'll show all the earrings and my neck pieces, whatever is coming from the box. This is one red ring, rose ring. I don't even know why I'm carrying it because I'm not wearing any red or any outfit that this could go with. I don't know, it's I think there in the box since the last time. Okay, now these are again, this is again that I had bought many years ago. I don't even remember if I've made use of this in any of my shows or events, but I really like them because even if I'm wearing, say, an orange dress, like a plain solid orange colored dress, and I wear this, it would still look so pretty. Or any color for that matter. This can give that a little pop for the outfit. So that's why this is there always in the box. The next one is this. Again, very pretty, very light, super light. It's got stone, it's got stars, it's got chains, everything dainty, delicate yet smart. So that's another one. Most of these I have not used, only very inexpensive. They're all like junk jewelry. One really smart, these I have used on one of my episodes when I was a judge. I have used these. Very smart, very trendy kind of a set. I have used this. So now what next? Again, now please don't say plastic enduku vadutunnaru idi adi ani. Don't comment all that because this is how they are sold, right? So you can't really do anything about it. Now again, this bag has a lot of lots of hoops of different sizes. Like in this box there are some really small ones also. Like very small ones. This size also that I carry. Then I have a bracelet. Again, all chain and beads, sort of a bracelet, which goes well with any kind of an outfit. Something like this. It looks very pretty, very dainty. I'm not too much of honestly a jewelry person. You will say like so many accessories I have and I'm saying I'm not a jewelry person. I mean to say like I can't be wearing heavy earrings, then heavy neck piece, bracelet, ring, everything. I don't like that kind of styling. If I'm wearing something nice in the ears, I like to leave my neck bare. Unless it's a set, then I just wear something like this, a small ring and maybe a watch. Now I didn't have really a suitable bracelet for this dress, so I went with this watch that I had. So I like to keep it minimal, don't like overloading myself with too much. So yeah, there's another bracelet that I have, which again I've been having for many years, never used it, but again very pretty, very sleek. Waiting for an opportunity to use it. Okay, last few items. One rose ring which I've used quite a few times for BB Jodi itself, because when it's in the finger, like from the distance you can't really see what ring, if it goes with the outfit. Actually I should have worn it today, if it goes with the outfit, it just works well. So even if it's repetitive, I really don't care with the rings and all. Okay, another one. So that was a white one. This is a black one. Again, a nice stone earrings, very abstract look. Looks very, very good with Western outfits. So that's one white, one black, and I had one gold. But last schedule, I don't know what I did, it kind of broke from here. I still used it because nobody can really make out that it's broken, right? As long as it looks good, who cares? So that is there in the gold. Like from the condition of the bag only, you could make out how old these earrings would be. I love them. Like you get them like everywhere. They are very, very basic hoops with white stones. Always there in my kit. Last. So this is again I picked for like if I have to wear some gown or something which needs a neck piece, then I have this, very lightweight, and it's got that rose gold and triangular shaped stones, which is why I loved it. I felt it could go well with even Western gowns if I just wear this and avoid the earrings. The earrings are again very, very simple and lightweight. That's another one that I carry for safe side, like if I ever have to wear something in the neck. So yeah, I kind of quickly wrapped it up. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this episode of my jewelry collection, which I carry when I come for BB Jodi shoots. Of course, there are certain things which I replace. Like next time if I know that these are the kinds of outfits, I carry according to that. So some things keep changing from the box, but most of them are similar. So these are some of the staples, and yeah, that is it. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There are a lot of videos regarding BB Jodi. The outfit video is up on the channel. Then there is one where I have shown behind the scenes of BB Jodi. We have actually shown what happens behind the scenes. So that's another one which is already live. So if you haven't seen all these episodes, do visit the playlist and watch these videos. I shall see you very, very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed.